Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today channel, Dance Sreyoun is going to present you about the most famous Thai actresses Bao. Sri is a Thai singer, actress, model. She was a singer in the girl group called Kiss Me 5 from 2010 to 2013. After winning Thai Supermodel contest in 2013, she signed with Channel 7 to become one of their exclusive actresses until May 2020. In June 2020, she officially signed with Channel 3. She's known for her roles in Yaking Lea, Nora, Hong Nur Munker in 2017, Pekara Montra and Mongarn Bandenrik. She has been acting since 2010 to present. She was born July 4, 1996 in Bangkok District, Thailand. She is 1.76 meters and she is 55 kilograms. Her friends are Nakanut Nichitungquadana Wanich, Diana Filippo, Richie Amrawadi, Gina Yunasalis, Olthrathi, and her best friends are Thainrung Kanyo Songmuang, Jingjingwari Sarayu, Aok Babshutamon Changcharon Sukying, Gulf Kanawat. In her free time she likes photography, singing, drawing and traveling. She graduated Bachelor from Ramkhamhaeng University, Faculty of Humanities. She isn't married but she is in a relationship with the most famous Thai actor Mictuan Grea. Bao started her career by attending Smart Kids contest in 2004. Later in 2010 she debuted as a singer under KMK's record as a member of Kiss Me 5, where she debuted with Kitty Chicha, Bampak Hakanya, Gail Nacha and Mild Kritia. When the group disbanded in 2013, she joined Thai Supermodel contest in 2013 and won it. She later signed with Channel 7 and started her acting gig in the drama Kot Quig, where she was paired up with Mictuan Grea. However, her second drama Yaking Lea, where she was paired up with Michael Prataradet, aired first and made both of them become famous and tied as Koojin, fantasy couple. She won various awards during her time in Channel 7. In June 2020 she signed a contract with Channel 3. Her first drama was Monrik Nong Fake Kig, where she paired up with Nadeku Jimiya. Bao had been a singer before she started her acting career. She was signed under KMK's record and in a girl group called Kiss Me 5 from 2010 to 2013. She attended Thai Smart Kids contest in 2004 and won Thai Supermodel contest in 2013. Bao's acting debut was in Kot Chuak, but her first return to be aired was Yaking Lea in 2015. Bao's contract with Channel 7 expired in May 2020 and she did not renew. In June 2020, Bao signed a contract with Channel 3 and became one of their exclusive actresses. Her first return was a big project called Monrik Nong Fake Kig, 2021, produced by Act Art Production, paired up with Nadeku Jimiya. These are her dramas such as Yaking Lea with Michael Prataradet Sa Gwangkwambi ch.7 2014-15, Kot Chuak with Mictuan Grea ch.7 2015, Nora with Michael Prataradet Sa Gwangkwambi ch.7 2016, Hong Nur Munker in 2017 with Big Kritarit But Prom ch.7 2017, Kunchai Kai Tong with Donut Fat Harapanij Bongwaranan ch.7 2018, Sakao Duan with Nuwang Sakern Porame Thakern ch.7 2018, Pekara Montra with Weir Sukalawat Kinaro ch.7 2019, Mongarn Bandenrik with Mictuan Grea ch.7 2019, and Insi Deng 2019 with Amakafa Numart ch.7 2019. These are her modeling such as Smart Kids Contest 2004, Thai Supermodel 2013, Grand Opening Terminal 21 Cora 2017, Hive Salon 5th Anniversary Bangkok 2017, Issue Thailand Fashion Show, BIF 2017, Louisiana Boutique BIF 2017, Jardin Louisiana Boutique, Pounds Prom Night Twirlies 17, SME Revolution 2017, Elle Fashion Week 2018, Kers Brand, Bella Verino 2018, Issue Thailand Fashion Show, BIF 2019, Lazada Women's Festival 2019, Millennials Choice 2019, Lazada Fashion Week 2020 and Millennials Choice 2020. These are her awards such as Top 7 Thai Smart Kids Contest 2004, Winner Thai Supermodel Contest 2013, 9th K's Awards Popular New Next Female Star Yakin Leah 2015, Ministry of Public Health Quit Smoking Campaign Honorary Plaque 2015, 8th Siam Dara Star Awards Female Rising Actress Kach Yuake 2015, 13th 17th Teen Choice Awards 17th Choice Rising Star Yakin Leah 2015, National Spirits of Buddha Image Honorary Plaque 2016, Golden Canary Awards Outstanding Actress Nora 2017, Stars Light Awards Rising Actress Award 2018, Thailand Good Person of the Year Awards Ratana Kosan Good Person Award 2018, First YTV Awards Outstanding Female Lead Actress Hong Nirmunkern 2017, 2018, 6th Top Awards Outstanding Actress Mongarn Bandenrich 2018 and 5th Maya Awards Female Lead Star Award Pekara Mantra 2019. That is all about Bo. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dance Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.